Hello, little learners that start with M. Let's begin. M is for mango. First, we have a sweet and juicy mango. Mangoes are tropical fruits that are so tasty. Have you tried one before? M-A-N-G-O, mango. M is for mushrooms. Look at these mushrooms. Mushrooms grow in the forest and come in many shapes and sizes. They can be used in lots of tasty dishes. M-U-S-H-R-O-O-M, mushroom. M is for monkey. Here's a cheeky monkey. Monkeys love to swing from trees and eat bananas. They're always full of energy. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. M is for milk. This is a glass of refreshing milk. Milk is good for your bones and makes you strong. Do you drink milk every day? M-I-L-K, milk. M is for microscope. Check out this cool microscope. Microscopes help scientists see tiny things like germs and cells up close. M-I-C-R-O-S-C-O-P-E, microscope. M is for moon. Look up at the night sky. That glowing circle is the moon. The moon shines brightly and has different phases like full moon and crescent moon. M-O-O-N, moon. M is for motorcycle. Vroom! Here's a toy motorcycle. Motorcycles are fast and fun to ride. Do you like toy motorcycles? M-O-T-O-R-C-Y-C-L-E, motorcycle. M is for marbles. Look at these colorful marbles. Marbles are small, round toys you can play with or collect. They come in many beautiful designs. M-A-R-B-L-E, marble. M is for map. This is a map. Maps show you where places are. You can use them to find your way when traveling. M-A-P, map. M is for magnet. Wow, look at this magnet. Magnets can stick to metal objects, and they're super strong. Can you say magnet? M-A-G-N-E-T, magnet. And that's our amazing journey through the letter M. We learned about so many things today. Keep practicing your M words, and we'll see you soon with more fun at Twinkle Twinkle Learning Academy. Bye for now.